to Ms. Holcomb. Ms. Holcomb was released from her state.
What other witnesses specifically were present that you're concerned about?
Ms. Shaver, yes.
Okay.
Who was present?
Sharon Shaver. It was noted in the opening statement that Sharon Shaver would be testifying, Brian Shaver, Stacey Shaver, and I did see Tamara Dale here yesterday along with many CSI agents. And I cannot identify the CSI agents because I was not there on scene. So how would I be able to distinguish who is going to be testifying and who was sitting in the courtroom yesterday?
Your Tamara Dale is not here. Sharon Shaver is the deceased's mother. I listed her as someone that you might hear referenced, but she is not testifying. She was listed as a B witness. The CSI individuals that are here are all CSI individuals that were not even working with the sheriff's office at the time of the discovery of Michael Shaver's body in the backyard. None of them are listed witnesses. They are CSI agents that are allowed to be here to observe the court process as a learning tool, and there's nothing to prevent people that aren't witnesses and that weren't even with the sheriff's office at the time of this investigation being present.
It sounds like the individuals that were present are not being called to testify. Is that correct, Mr. Camuccio?
Yes, sir.
Who was it the state's acknowledged and was present?
Douglas Shaver.
So, nobody else?
No witness that's being called has been in this courtroom in violation of the law.
Okay, and nobody's watched the news?
I can't control that.
Well,
I've told the witnesses that they can't discuss the matters that happen in court.
So they're not to be present in court. They're not to discuss any testimony with any other witness.
we have screenshots, Judge, of people that
So-
listed witnesses.
Yeah, and these aren't really good. I guess my concern was during opening statements, Mr. Baskley stated that we would hear from the mother, the father. The father, we have the motion hearing on. The mother, the brother, the sister, and they were all sitting in the courtroom yesterday.
The brother and the sister were not in the courtroom. They were sitting outside the courtroom the entire time.
So
Judge, I would just...
Okay, there's a couple of interesting things that took place. Out of all the trials that I've watched, and it's way too many to try to recall, I can't remember a time where I saw the defendant speak to the judge while the trial is underway about evidence or witnesses that are getting ready to testify. That's one thing. Usually that's done through the client and the attorney, and then the attorney puts the argument on record. Also, did y'all catch the fact that she never did show them screenshots? She had her attorney tell the judge, we have screenshots, and didn't even produce the screenshots. Yeah, that was interesting to me.